Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a squeaky faucet handle that squeaks when you turn it on and off. This one doesn't actually squeak anymore, but I'm just using it as an example. First things first, we're going to shut off our water. You just have to shut off on the side that you're working on. Now depending on what type of faucet you have will depend on how you get this handle off. On this particular one, you just stick a knife or a sharp object in and lift up that little piece. Sometimes there will be an Allen key either here or on the other side that you have to take off to loosen it. And we're just going to open this up, take off this screw, and I'll make note that I have the drain plug in just in case we drop anything into there, then we're not going to lose it. That comes off. Then this nut comes right off. I have things pre-loosened as well to make it easier while I'm holding the camera with one hand, so things might be a little bit tighter for you. We're going to take this and try and yank that off. Often what makes the squeak is damaged O-rings, so you're just going to clean these up, and if they need replacing, if they're cracked, or sometimes they're expanded if it's on the hot side, then you go and replace them. So we have a little bit of Vaseline over here. I'm just going to roll it on the O-rings. If you're doing this, spread it nice and even with your fingers because you'll have both hands available. And then try and remember which way you took this out. So this valve was on the inside, but there's also, it's hard to see, there's often a little tab or a groove. So they usually can only go in one way. Sorry about the noise there. Just make sure we guide it gently into there. Then we're going to take the nut, hand tighten as far as you can. And then you take your pliers and you tighten it up, not too much. Take your handle, so we had it in the open position. Okay. Put our screw back in. And our cap back on, or whichever way is particular to your faucet. Turn our water back on nice and slow. Take our tools out of the sink and turn the water on. Just be nice and slow because air pockets can shoot out and make a loud banging for you. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully this was helpful, and please like and subscribe.